Hello everyone! Welcome back here at Laarni's Kitchen and Food Creations. Today I'm going to share with you on how to make chicken chow fan. That means to say chicken fried rice. Okay, here are the very basic ingredients that you will need. So I'm going to saute that with chopped red onions, chopped fresh cloves of garlic, and then this is chicken breast. I slice the chicken breast into small cubes. Then I'm going to use eggs. So I'm going to add a little bit salt for my eggs, then simply beat it. Cooking and baking, they always make fun and easy here at my little kitchen, and love to share my simple cookings here, the way I cook food for my family. Okay, now I have here mixed vegetables. So these are tiny bits of carrots and green peas. I'm going to add also a little bit of chili flakes, but that's very optional. You can use salt and pepper. For my seasoning agents, there are just soy sauce. You can add oyster sauce or vegetarian oyster sauce, whatever you like. But I'm going to add this with soy sauce or toyo, and a little bit of salt if you wish. Okay, I have here my prepared cooked jasmine rice, white rice, and of course for my veggies I use Chinese broccoli, or we call that one gailan. So these are the stem part, and I just try to slice it into small cubes. And the leafy vegetables of this Chinese broccoli, I slice it. Now, if you don't have gailan or Chinese broccoli, you can always use water spinach or kangkong. Okay, very easy. So come join with me as I'm going to share with you on how to cook this very easy type of dish. And this is what we call considering one pot meal, because there's already meat as your protein source, and with carbs or the rice, and of course the vegetables. Here in my cooking pot, I have to add some sesame oil. You can use whatever oil you would like to use, because the technique in having very delicious fried rice, it's the sesame oil. But if you don't have sesame oil, because sometimes sesame oil could be pricey in your area, so you can use whatever available sauteing ingredient that you have, like corn oil, mazola, or coconut oil, sunflower, peanut oil, whatever. So there's not really specific oil that we need to, but I just love to saute that with sesame oil. So lovely friends, I'm going to add my red cooking onions. So simply saute that one until slightly golden brown or translucent. Then I'll have to add my finely chopped garlic. Saute your garlic and your onions for a few seconds. There you go. And I'm going to add my chicken breast. Nice. So chicken breast, or any part of the chicken, just debone it or slice it into tiny cubes. And I'm going to add some chili flakes. Not so much, because my son loves to have a little bit spice in his food. That's very optional, my dear lovely friends. So cook the chicken breast until you feel that it's cooked. Let's say for 3 minutes, and you're good to go. Chicken breast doesn't really take that long in the process of cooking. Friends, make sure your chicken or your meat is properly cooked. You can also use beef, whatever meat preference you would like to use. Simply go ahead. So after this, I'll have to set that aside on that side, and I'm going to add my eggs. So there you go. Simply make your eggs crumbled. Nice. Then mix this together. Then add your green peas or mixed veggies. There you go. And also the stem part of your Chinese broccoli or gailan. So friends, I added my stem part of the gailan. There you go. Simply mix it. And I don't want to be overly cooked for this mixed veggies because I want it crunchy and to preserve its freshness. Then I'll have to add my toyo or soya sauce. So depending upon your taste buds, you can always try to eliminate a little bit if you wish. A bit. There you go. Beautiful. Then I am going to add my cooked rice, my cooked white rice. There you go, my friends. Cooked white rice. And then simply stir it so that all the ingredients will be well combined. Wonderful friends, if you don't have chili flakes, you can always try to eliminate that, then substitute that with black pepper or white pepper so that the taste will be peppery. Okay, this is good to go. So after that, the last but not the least ingredient will be this leafy part of the vegetables. So simply mix that well. Okay, there you go. Then I'll have to turn off my heat. Voila! So thank you, lovely friends, for watching La Arnie's Kitchen and Food Creations. Stay tuned for more cookings and bakings here at my little kitchen. Ciao! So this is the output of our chicken show pan. By the way, lovely friends, if you don't have vegetables to garnish towards the end, you can always use the scallions or the chopped green onions and you're good to go. So thank you. I love you guys. Your home cook buddy La Arnie saying you daghang kayong salamat.